Welcome back everybody. So how you can roll back your Windows update and Windows. So how you can do that in Windows 11. Let's see how we can do that. Okay. So first of all open the settings. Search on start bar settings. Click on settings. You can see in the left hand side we can see the Windows update. Okay. So click in the left hand side last option. Okay. So Windows update. Okay, now you can see there are many more options. So click on update history, the third option. Okay, the update history. Slide down and the last. Okay, and you can see the recovery option and the last. Okay, so click on that recovery option. Okay, we have here lots of option. Okay, fix the problem, Windows update, and uh, fix problem with restarting. We can reset this PC and advanced option restart, go startup, and blah blah blah. And this option, go back. This option is no longer available in this PC. Maybe there is some because my laptop is new and that's why it's showing this option. Okay, because the previous window is not available in this here. And so that's it for today. And I think so if I use virtualization machine, maybe the option will be enabled. Okay, so I'll make another video if it's possible. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. If your PC is compatible with that, you can go back, or if it's not, you can't. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.